Welcome to this video from In 28 Minutes. Thanks for helping us provide awesome learning experiences to more than 300,000 learners across multiple platforms, Udemy, Safari, and Pact. Let's welcome our lead instructor, Rangarao Karanam. Welcome back. In this video, we would be talking about 5 things to think about when you are coding. What are the 5 things you should always keep in your mind when you're coding something, when you're programming something? The basic things you'd always be thinking about, right? So you'd be always be thinking about using the right data structures, right algorithms. You'd always be thinking about the performance and things like that. Now, other than that, the important things that you would want to always focus on when you're coding are readability of your code. How easy to read your code. If a new programmer comes and reads your methods, your classes, will he be able to understand it very easily? That's readability. So that's number one thing you should always think about when you code. How readable is your code? I think the critical things are how you name your variables, how you name your methods, and how you name your classes. The second thing you should always think about is reusability. Is there some common component I can make use of which has this functionality already implemented? Will the functionality I'm coding right now be reusable across the enterprise? Will it be reusable across the application? Should I create a component out of it? Reusability is the second thing that you should always be thinking about when you are programming. The third thing you need to always be thinking about is unit testing. The best way to do this would be to follow test-driven development. If you do test-driven development, the first thing you would write is unit test and then you write the code. So you'd always be starting to think about unit testing. But if you're not following test-driven development, do try it out. But if you are not really interested in doing test-driven development, make sure that you write great unit tests. Great unit tests is the only way you can keep improving the design of code. If you don't have unit tests, then your design becomes stagnant. It would not improve over a period of time. The fourth thing that you should always be thinking about when you are coding is the non-functional requirements: security, scalability, performance, maintainability, and all that kind of fun stuff. You should always be thinking about the non-functional requirements. The last thing, what's for dinner? Always have fun while you code. Programming is an intense mental activity, and I think you need to keep having fun when you program. So pull the leg of somebody who's sitting beside you. Good luck. In 28 Minutes is providing awesome learning experiences to 300,000 learners across platforms like Udemy, Safari Online, and Pact. We have clocked million hours of learning in the last few months. Thanks for watching. Keep learning in 28 minutes.